Welcome back to another fast meal prep hack. So in today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make a high protein sweet dinner rolls, very low in carbs and very low in fat. So let's go ahead and make this. So first thing you need when it comes to the ingredients is right here. We need some vital wheat gluten, Garbanzo bean flour, baking soda, and baking powder, some vanilla extract, cinnamon, sativa extract, pinch of black salt, and 2 cups of water. What we're going to do first is go ahead, set the oven to 400 degrees, okay? That's the first thing you want to do. And then you want to get out a mixing bowl. Now, first thing I'm going to go ahead and do is go ahead and grab the vital wheat gluten, put about 2 cups in here, all right? Just like that. Now, wheat gluten is used for most alternative meats like tofurkey, gardein, field roast. A lot of these mock meats you see, most of them has wheat gluten in it. That's how it gets a lot of its protein, okay? And you can also make a lot of seitan if you want to make an alternative meat at home. You can make seitan. That's what seitan is made out of. All right. Next thing we're going to do is some Garbanzo bean flour. We do 1/2 cup of this. So that. Pour it in here. We're going to sprinkle some cinnamon. Do a dab of vanilla extract. Just like that. 2 full tinctures of sativa extract. Well, we'll do 3. Just like that. Pinch of black salt. Quarter teaspoon of baking powder and also baking soda. And then the last thing, 2 cups of purified water. All right. So as that's sitting in there, now we're gonna go ahead and wash our hands because we're going to get our hands really dirty. So back to the bowl, I'm gonna put my hands, start mixing it around, all right? And you might be asking, why am I using my hands? Well, you're gonna see. It's gonna turn into a dough, all right? All the water will be absorbed. All right, now we need a large baking pan. If you have a non-stick, it would be more preferable. And then we're just gonna take some olive oil spray, just a quick coat. I wanna just take this, right, and just kind of evenly make small balls, all right? Just like that. I'm gonna make 10 of them, all right? Now, this whole batch, I've already did the macros for this, so for each roll, you're getting about 18 grams of protein, 8 grams of carbs, and I believe it's somewhere around 1 gram of fat, all right? So the macros on this is really amazing. Just make sure when you do this in these ingredients, it's measured out to 10 rolls, okay? So you can get those macros. And you think something is a little bit bigger than another, just grab it from a large one. And now I'm just going to go ahead, open the oven, press it in there, and then just set the timer to 20 minutes, okay? So everything's finished. Let's go ahead and open this up. Take a look at it. All right, so that's it. You know, this is how you make these, and then what you want to do is go ahead and kind of pull them off. Or we can use maybe a plastic spatula. Just try take them off when they're hot, then they won't stick. So, and that's pretty much it. You know, like this is really soft, as you can see. They're really hot. And if you break them open, look at this. Super nice and soft, okay? Nice and fresh. And again, like I said, these are great snacks, especially if you love bread. You know, this is my go-to. It helps spread out the cravings and I'm able to mix this with, like, you know, favorite sauces. You can do, like, you know, maybe peanut butter, maybe some of your favorite spreads, like strawberry spread, a grape spread, something like that. But it's definitely super low in carbs, very high in protein, very low in fats. Great high protein dinner roll or bread replacement. All right, well, with that said, my name's Corinne Sutton. I hope you liked the video. If you do, please comment down below, share, like, and you know, spread the love. I would definitely appreciate it. But with that said, hope you enjoyed the video, and talk to you soon.